Hi guys, welcome to Hooks Hot Rods. Al here. I finally got my first package from someone on YouTube, and I'm gonna open it up very shortly. It was made by Glenn Miller. He's building a 28 Dodge car. It looks great, and it was won by a guy named Mike at No CCIs. He's building a 67 Camaro, and it's also a really nice car. He passed it on to me because I'm building a Dodge as well. So I'd like to thank both of you guys. It's pretty awesome. And I also made it over 200 subscribers. Thank you guys. It's a good feeling. So I'll set you up in the tripod here, and I'm going to open it up. Okay, and there it is. It's the Dodge Pentastar, and it is going to be mounted on a toolbox in the back of the truck here, either on the box or on the floor right in front of the box. When it's done, I'm going to clear coat it. I'm going to leave it just the way it is. And Glenn sent me some new rivets for it. I'm probably going to pin it right into the box with the rivets. That's awesome. It's going to look great. Okay, so right now I'm just working on the doors. I had to repaint the tops because I wasn't happy with it, so I just have to wet sand the paint line. I just repainted the tops down to the bottom of this belt line, so a little bit of wet sanding, buff it all up, and it'll match up good. I have the windshield frame together, fitting nice. I just got to get the glass cut for that. I sent the seats in. I was going to do them myself, but my wife said I was crazy for trying. It's a lot of work, so I sent them in. A guy's going to be recovering the seats that I made. I used those small bucket seats that I had. Okay, so that's it with the foam in. They're bolted down. It's a good fit for me. It was really hard to find something small enough to fit in here because I have 36 inches from this corner to that corner. I was going to build a bench seat, but I think this works better. I'm going to put probably a Honda or something e-brake handle between the seats. There's just enough space for the handle. Shifter goes on the floor right there. And I used those, but I had to chop them down to fit in here. So I should get them back next week. And I'm slowly making headway. I have the lights in. Headlights are in. I'm not sure if I'm happy with that or not. I might bring the bulb out another ½ inch or so, ¼ inch. I think it would look better in the end. So that's one little project I'm working on, and I also have the taillights in. Worked out great. little bit at a time. I pulled the transmission off the motor. It's in being rebuilt. I know nothing about transmissions, so I'm going to just freshen this motor up myself and throw it in. And yeah, hopefully get the doors on and get the glass cut for it very soon. It's all simple glass. It's all flat, so it's all just so easy to do. And get these back into the doors. But first I want to get them polished up, cut, wet sanded and polished up, and then get some sound deadening on the inside of the door, and then I'll put the window regulators in. I'm holding off on putting the doors on until I get the interior work done. Other than the seats, it's very simple. Just some cardboard panels covered in leather and foam, and it should go good. Okay, and again, I'd like to thank Glenn and Mike. Glenn at Glenn Miller on YouTube, and Mike at No CCIs on YouTube. Thanks again, guys. And to the new subscribers, thank you. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll do an update later. Thanks.